Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ginger mango pickle. Slice mangoes and ginger thinly, toss with salt, and sun-dry for several hours to remove extra moisture. Toast and grind your spices coarsely, then mix with turmeric, chili, and mustard seeds. Heat oil until hot, add mustard seeds to bloom, pour over the mango mix, and store in a sterilized jar for flavors to meld. In this video, I will show how to make ginger mango pickle. After slicing, sprinkle salt evenly and let the mango and ginger sit to release liquid, then drain carefully. Spread pieces on a clean tray and sun-dry or air-dry until slightly tacky but not brittle. Ensuring the pieces are dry helps the oil and spices coat them well and prevents spoilage while preserving bright flavors and crunch. In this video, I will show how to make ginger mango pickle. Toast whole spices until fragrant, cool, then grind coarsely for a textured bite. Combine ground spices with powdered turmeric and chili to taste, adjusting heat with caution. Warm oil in a pan until it shimmers, add mustard seeds to pop and curry leaves to crisp, then carefully pour this tempering over the dried mango and ginger, stirring to coat every piece evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.